Hey, what's up, my lovely YouTube adventure family? It's your boy Ray254 Adventures. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, go do me a favor, go hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. I'm actually giving away $100 once I reach up to 500 subscribers. So make sure you guys go subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I'm about to head out the door right now. I'm in Philadelphia, about to go out for a little jog. So if you guys were interested in this video, I want to go see what it looks like out here in Philadelphia. I want to enjoy these views and stuff. Make sure you guys stay tuned. And yeah, I'm about to head out this door and I'm gonna go enjoy my day. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's go. Just doing a little power walking, getting these legs warmed up a little bit. And yeah, I gotta jog through the hood first before we get into some good, nice little beautiful views. Even though the hood still got its little beauty to it, you know what I mean, you just gotta admire all the trash and stuff around and all the people that just treats it like trash. But you know what I mean, we out here trying to enjoy it. Just go on with our day, and I'm trying to enjoy ourselves. So let's go, let's get this day started. I'm out of wind like crazy. I gotta slow it down, take a little power walk for now. Get my energy back, and then I'll continue back in a few. But I gotta walk a little bit because damn, my legs hurt from yesterday's hike. It was going crazy, doing that crazy overlook down the Lehigh Gap. And if you guys haven't seen that video, do me a favor, go check that out. That was the latest video I just dropped. And show you boys some love. Make sure you comment, hit that like button. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe and go keep showing you boys some love, because I appreciate it. And yeah, gonna continue on with our little walk here. And before we continue on with our jog, so just enjoy the rest of the views before we continue on doing our little jog here. Just right here in this corner here from the movie Rocky, they actually knocked down where his wife used to work at. It was a little pet shop over there with that lot is at, just across the street. And they knocked that thing down because it was falling down slowly, but they still kept the old gym here. This big building right here in the corner. This right here is the old Rocky gym. I don't know what they're gonna be doing with it now, but yeah, it's definitely still cool checking this out. My people's actually owns a barbershop down here in the middle of the block, so they got a nice little area. And that's the train you hear just above. I'm still out of breath, but once I get to this light up here in this corner, I'm gonna continue back on jogging. Whew. What's up, Theo? Set the edge, just recording. Yeah. Hello. What's up, man? Yeah, trying to jog, trying to get in shape. Yeah, I'm recording my little jog. Yeah, I was doing like a jogging, so I recorded me jogging, try to get in shape and shit like that. I try to get back. Yeah, I did all that stuff. I see it up there. Once I get up to this corner here, I'm gonna actually start jogging again. Had to take a break. I actually seen my uncle and stuff there. Had to show them some love. That's actually the barbershop there, Brotherly Love. And right now I'm just getting closer to this corner here. Once I get to this light up here, then I start jogging. But let's keep walking up here. We're just a few feet up. So I'll get right here to the corner here. Let me just run. And from right here, we're gonna start our jog. So let's continue this thing going. So guys, I'm actually gonna stop up here next to the Ben Franklin Bridge. We're gonna go up the Ben Franklin Bridge. I'll go enjoy that overlook up there. And just catch our breath once we get all the way up there on the top of the bridge. So we're not too far, we're about like 2 blocks away from the bridge. So let's continue on this little jog and make our way to the top of that bridge so we can enjoy that view all the way up there of the city here. So let's keep going. Guys, we just got right here to the top of the Ben Franklin Bridge. I don't know if you guys can really hear me because there's a lot of traffic crossing the bridge on the bottom here. But I'm gonna show you guys the overlook just from right here. There's another nice little beautiful view over there. We will be on top of the water once we keep walking. But right here, still amazing view. There's the city of Philadelphia down there. That's South Philadelphia. And the other side over there is North Philadelphia. Can't really see that side because that side was closed, so we couldn't go over there. But it's still amazing view over here. That's the city just over there. Behind all this stuff here, this building, that's where the city is at. But this view right here is super crazy. And once we get over here, it gets even better. So just keep walking a little bit more. And we're gonna enjoy it from up here and show you guys what it looks like from the top of the Delaware River up here. So guys, that was an amazing view up there of the city. Now we just going back where we came from. We're gonna continue this thing going back, making our way right back home because my legs are tired. So I can't wait to go home and take a nice cool shower, relax these muscles and get a nice meal because we got a long way to go. So let's go back home and let's continue this jog right back to the spot.